Elizabeth here again, and a very big thank you to everyone who were able to learn one or two from our last video. So today we're going to be talking on who needs document translation services. Yes, document translation services is not meant for everybody. We have specific category of people that need document translation services. So now let's dive deep into document translation services. So we start by unlocking global communication through expert translation. The language service market reached about 56.18 billion people in 2023. This is the statistics, yes, about people who need document translation or people who has done document translation over the years, and this particular statistics is for the year 2023. So document translation helps to expand horizon and reach diverse audience effectively across borders. Yes, this is one thing Novatia Translation do. Novatia Translation helps you to reach diverse audience effectively across borders with their translation services seamlessly. So now let's head over to businesses that are expanding internationally. We have businesses that are expanding internationally across the globe, and they have key documents that they have to translate for them to be able to expand into the markets internationally. So for the key documents, we have the market report, we have the legal contracts, and we have the financial statements. Yes. Then for website localization, we have adapt content to resonate with local cultures. Then for the marketing materials, which ensures consistent branding messaging worldwide. For example, is Coca-Cola, who adjusts its slogan to fit cultural norms. People that are into the legal and government sectors are part of the people that need document translation. And here are the document types that we translate for people that are into the legal and government sector. Novatia Translation helps to translate legal documents, the patent and the regulatory documents. Novatia Translations also help to translate immigration and vital records. Novatia Translation also helps to translate court transcripts and legal correspondence. Court transcripts and legal correspondence are those that have court sittings, or they had court sitting in China and they want to translate this court sitting into English. Yes, Novatia Translation help people to do this document translation seamlessly, and the accuracy standard is 95% accurate, and the rate is for legal translation. Healthcare industry is part of the industry that needs document translation. Healthcare, we mean hospitals, people that are into the pharmaceutical aspects. Yes, so for the essential documents or documents that people that are into the healthcare industry do translation for are their patient records and their medical reports. Novatia Translation offer these services for people that want to travel out of the country and they need to translate their medical reports from one language to the other. Yes, Novatia Translation offer these services as well. Then for critical trial data, Novatia Translation do this part of translation as well. Then for pharmaceutical labels and instruction, Novatia Translations do this as well. So for the regulatory requirements, the FDA mandates translated drug label for imports. These are people that are into importation of drugs. Yes. Then for the multilingual informed consent, which ensure patient understanding. When you think of translation services in the healthcare industry, Novatia Translation should be one of the companies you should think of to help you carry out your translation services. Now we head over to people that are into manufacturing and the engineering sector. Yes, these people are maybe people that are into the technical manual, people that are into safety data sheets, people that are into engineering drawings. Then for example, is Boeing translates documents into 2B languages. These are terms and languages for engineers and people that are into the manufacturing sector. So Novatia Translation also help to carry out translation services for this sector, which is the manufacturing and the engineering sector. For people that are into the education and the academia, so for the academic credentials, examples are the transcripts, the diplomas, your certificates, yes, your MSc certificates, your BSc certificates, your OND certificates, your HND certificates. Yes, Novatia Translations offer these translation services because if you want to jackpot out of Nigeria to Russian, you need to translate your documents from English to Russian. If you want to jackpot out of Nigeria, you're going to Spain, you need to translate your documents from English to Spanish language, and all of these translations are sworn translation. So for people that are into research and publication, they do translation of papers and scholarly articles. Yes, for course materials, we support students. These are international students to keep up with their learning. So for students diversity, 22% of US college students are international. Yes, nowadays you see a lot of us in Nigeria actually moving out of Nigeria because we want to further our education in the foreign countries, and you cannot travel out of Nigeria just like that without getting your necessary documents translated. And part of those necessary documents you need to get translated is your education and your academia documents. So when you want to jackpot out of the country and you are looking out for the translation company to help you translate your documents seamlessly, Novatia Translations should be that best company, should be the #1 company that should pop on your mind. Non-profit organization, these are NGOs, they do document translation as well, and they do need document translation. These are the humanitarian aids, the educational incentive, the fundraising, and the leadership. Conclusion: connecting the world through translation. Novatia Translation is that one company that is going to connect you to the world seamlessly, which means Novatia Translation enables clear global communication. Novatia Translations enable cross-sector impact between businesses, legal, and people that are into healthcare sectors and people that are into academic sectors. Novatia Consulting give this cross-sector impact seamlessly. Then Novatia Translator also invests to succeed. We provide accurate translation which ensures compliance and growth. So contact us at Novatia Translations to unlock your global potential today. Bye, and see you in my next video.